where she is, and then they go to a zoo, which is actually a zoo in Griffith, or whatever his name is, the fucking fat fuck cat from Cats movie.
It's a baby. Let's hope they don't bump into anyone while they're walking around here. Dog walkers. Report on camera health. I'm trying to record this, the rain clouds are moving over the moor for some reason, and camera has stopped fucking working in a lot of ways. We're currently on this. I took the battery out and in, that stopped the problem temporarily. Zoom. No zoom. Zoom out. No zoom. View menu, gallery. View gallery. No view gallery. Press all the fucking buttons. The one that works actually is the focus button. Can't get the timer button. Like all the fucking buttons. Okay, that started working again, the actual clicker. But like all the other buttons just stopped working. I can't use the camera properly because I turned it off and on, and that's turning it off. Wait, that's turning it on. Let's see if I can zoom. I can't zoom. It's not doing anything. My big cam is braking like my small cam. Sony, why are you making shit cameras that break after only a few years use? Why? Okay, report. I just snapped a few pics. And now zoom is working, focus is working. Let's see, menu button, gallery button. Me getting angry at camera. That's working. It's just working again for a bit. It's like a temporary. It's like when because the reason I got this GoPro initially, this was kind of breaking. The mic has been cutting out for quite a time, and when you press record to record a video, it would just stop recording by itself. So yeah, poor build quality from Sony is like, next time I get camera, I'm not gonna get a fucking Sony camera, because Sony have done me dirty on these cameras. I thought I was getting quality product.